happy day. This is the freedom ride for Goose. Hey, bud. Look, Goose is going home to his forever home. Already, this family belongs to Goose, they said. Goose doesn't belong to them. He's already controlled them. Good boy. Remember, we're family, so send videos.
Absolutely.
All right.
Absolutely.
Life is good. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank y'all. Bye-bye.
Oh.
There's Haley. There's Mama. Yeah.
Good boy.
My Goose, I'm still down here, you know that? Hey.
Okay, come.
Look at him go. There you go.